Then where had we reached, Zohair?
Full complete. Ma'am,
This lesson is
scroll down.
yes. GTR we completed, right? Bindusara we completed.
Ma'am, we
Emperor
are Battle of Kalinga and Ashoka.
Ashoka's reversal.
We have completed this.
Yes. So we'll do from here. Battle of Kalinga revise करके फिर आगे बढ़े. Anyone remembers what was written on what happened in Battle of Kalinga? Remember or not? Yes. Can anyone say me? Zoe, do you remember what happened in Battle of Kalinga?
Ma'am, hello. Yes,
Huh?
ma'am. Kalinga is the neighborhood of Magda and
Magad
ma'am,
Empire.
an
Very good.
empire of time of Nand king.
Very
And
good.
at
Huh?
that time, been that the son
Kaling.
of
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
Bindusara Ma'am, my ID is not Kulsum Chokya, Azim Chokya.
Okay बेटा. Yes, से बेटा. Zoe.
And then Ashoka mm, uh, uh, declared of uh, uh, war, and Ashoka was victory in the war. After
Yes.
achieving
Hmm.
victory,
He
this
was not happy, right?
he was not happy because he see the blood and dead people and crying child and
Whose mic is on?
so that so,
Hmm.
so that the Babu that I will not uh, fight with him.
Yes, he vowed. उन्होंने कसम खाई. किंग अशोका ने कसम खाई कि अब वो वॉर वेज नहीं करेंगे. है ना. किंग बैटल ऑफ कलिंगा. व्हाट हैड हैपेंड इन बैटल ऑफ कलिंगा? Very good, Zohir. You tried very good. Now I'll say you some things. Okay, listen. See, in Battle of Kalinga, what had happened? You know, beta. At that time, Kalinga was considered very important. Yes, it was in the neighborhood of Magad Empire. अशोका के बाजू में था. Now, why was it considered as important? Because you know, beta, इन एट दैट टाइम कलिंगा कलिंगा की जो जरूरत थी वो ट्रेड के हिसाब से बहुत थी, राइट. सो ही वांटेड टू कॉन्कर कलिंगा, राइट. सो जोहेर किंग अशोका डिक्लेयर्ड अ वॉर ऑन किंग जयंत of Kalinga. Who declared a war? Who declared a war? Am I audible, beta?
Ashoka declared the war on King
Jayant. King Jayant
Jayan.
of Kalinga. Okay. In the 8th year of his coronation. Coronation मतलब जब उनको राजगादी दी थी 8 साल जब चल रहा था तब. And you know, my dear student, Ashoka won the war. Ashoka was victorious in the war. Yes, King Ashoka, किंग जयन को हरा चुके थे वॉर में उनकी आर्मी को और उनको. बट स्टिल ही was not happy. Still, Ashoka's heart was filled with feelings of remorse and regret over the war. Why? Why? Because he saw the gloom and sorrow everywhere in the battlefield. Yes, as well as in the city. City में भी और हर जगह. Everywhere, what did he saw? He saw bloodshed. सब जगह पे उन्होंने क्या देखा? पूरे जगह पे ब्लड है. पूरे जगह पे वुमेन वेर क्राइंग एंड चिल्ड्रन वेर क्राइंग एंड there was lot of people who died in the war. Yes, so his joy over the victory of Kalinga was lost. He lost the joy over the victory of Kalinga. Yes, and he also lost his peace of mind. वो उनको उनका he had just become like he didn't want to take a war anymore. Understood, आर्यन? उनको अब वॉर करनी ही नहीं थी। और उस पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में जोहेल उनको बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क मिलते हैं जिनका नाम क्या था फजिल? उपगुप्ता। Who was he? Upagupta. And Upagupta was the one who taught him to renounce his weapons, है ना, and take up the scriptures. Yes, what did he Upagupta say him? उपगुप्ता कौन थे पहले फजील बताओ मुझे। Who was Upagupta? Who was Upagupta? फजील, जोहेर, yes Zohair, am I audible boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, who was, yes, he was a Buddhist monk. Who was Upagupta? Buddhist
Buddhist
monk.
monk.
Yes, and he said him to renounce the weapons. Weapons ko tyag do. Take up the scriptures. And by adopting Buddhism, Ashoka became a religious man. Now Ashoka has become a religious man from a diplomatic man. पहले वो किंग थे, डिप्लोमेसी थी, पर अब वो कैसे बन चुके थे? पूरा रिलीजन फॉलो कर रहे थे। So he gave different messages to the people. Yes, Ashoka was the first ruler who tried to convey his message to the people through different inscriptions. Inscriptions मतलब हम पहले ही पढ़ चुके हैं, है ना? Inscriptions are what बेटा? In the first, they are, what are inscriptions?
Ma'am,
From
written
manuscripts, writings, text found
writing
in the
on the
and Tamil languages. Yes, and the writings of historical sources known as on stones or metal inscriptions. Yes, why? Because they are long lasting. Yes, they can be stored for a long period of time, except of Tadpatras and Bhojpatras, right? So on these inscriptions, different languages were used. Yes, they were Brahmi scripts. You can see here, Brahmi language में A कैसे लिखते थे? A for apple. Yes, in Devanagari Hindi language, A is written as a. In Bangla, you can see how A is written. मलयालम में आप देख सकते हो A कैसे लिखा जाता है। तमिल में A ऐसे लिखा जाता है। Can you see on my screen?
yes,
What is this A?
yes.
A is written over here. In Malayalam, A is written like this way. In Bangla, A is written like this way. In Devanagari Hindi language, yes, A is written in this
Oh,
way. Yes. Whereas in Brahmic Brahmi language, A is written as this way.
ma'am, all the A means oh no.
Yes. Yes. सो अशोका इन इंस्क्रिप्शंस में बैटल ऑफ कलिंगा को कैसे डिस्क्राइब करते हैं? हाउ ही राइट्स, व्हाट ही राइट्स अबाउट द बैटल ऑफ कलिंगा, that is written over here. Can you see? While describing about his Kalinga war, Ashoka got this written on the stone inscriptions. क्या लिखा था कि कितने सारे लोग उसमें मर गए। Yes, though I after 8 years after becoming king, I conquered Kalinga. About 1.5 lakh people were imprisoned. More than 1 lakh people were killed, which made him very sad. That was written by Ashoka. Yes, yes. Then second, what was written, Zohair?
People who love their relatives and friends and are
Real
gracious
relatives.
relatives and friends and are gracious towards their slaves and
Dead.
died are also killed in the war or they lose their loved ones.
Yes.
So I am regretting now. I have decided to follow Dhamma and teach other people i- its principles. I
Yes.
believe that winning people's heart through dhamma is better than forcefully winning people. I am carrying this inscription as a message for the future so that after me, my son, and even
Grandchildren.
grandchildren um, uh, do not think of indulging in war. They should think about the way in which they could spread Dhamma.
Yes. Dhamma means what?
Dhamma
Karma.
is Prakriti from of Sanskrit Kalinga war.
Yes. So this is what Ashoka had written. Now Ashoka's inscription were written in Prakrit language. Which language it was written? Uh, so here it was written in Prakrit language. Fazil, कौन
Prakrit.
सी language? Yes, Prakrit language. Yes, has been found on the way to Damodar Kund near Girnar mountain in Junagadh, Gujarat. Yes, these inscriptions contains articles of three kings. These articles from the king of Mahakshapratap Rudra Daman. This article gives details about what? About Sudarshan Talao Lake reservoir, which was constructed by the governor. Governor who? Pushya Gupta. He was a governor, okay, who was governor at that time of Maurya king. Yes. Now Chandragupta made canals for irrigation by one Yavan Raj, who was the governor of that time of Ashoka. Yes. Now we will see Ashoka as an apostol. Yes, what he gave the message that we will see. Okay. I have a small presentation for you all. One minute, students. Hmm. Yes, you can see now my screen, beta. Hello, can you see my screen, boys?
Yes.
Okay, all this we saw in the previous classes, right? Bindusara, then Ashoka. Yes, Ashoka the Great. देखो बैटलफील्ड पे ऐसा सब देख के उनको बहुत he lose his peace of mind. Can you see? Lot of people had died, and so he was regretting. Yes, understood? Then he meets Buddhist monk. Can you see here? Upagupta, who gives him an advice to leave the weapons. Can you see this picture? Hello? Am
Yes,
I?
ma'am.
Yes, okay. So Ashoka and Buddhism, he left waging war. Yes. Now the main principles of Dhamma were. What were the main principles of Dhamma that we will see one by one? Yes. Zuhair, say first one.
Ahimsa, non-violence or non-injury to all living things.
Yes. Then respect for elders.
Elders.
Yes. Then what is the next one?
Respect and tolerance to
Tolerance.
all religions.
Yes. To all religions. Then next.
Obedience to parents and teachers.
Yes. Next.
truthfulness,
Very good.
kindness to all, including slaves and servants, Grat- uh,
Charity. Charity.
charity towards the poor, peace and harmony among all.
Yes. So what were these, beta? The main principles which were given by Ashoka and Buddhism. And what? Buddhism. Yes. First is ahimsa. Ahimsa, non-violence or non-injury to all living things. किसी को मारना नहीं है और किसी को हर्ट भी नहीं करना है, एनिमल्स को या ह्यूमन बीइंग्स को. देन रिस्पेक्ट फॉर एल्डर्स. व्हाट वाज द सेकंड वन बेटा? के बड़ों का आदर करना, रिस्पेक्ट टू एल्डर्स. रिस्पेक्ट एंड टॉलरेंस टू ऑल रिलीजन्स, है ना. ओबीडियंस टू पेरेंट्स एंड टीचर्स. टीचर्स को और पेरेंट्स को ओबे करना है, रिस्पेक्ट करना है. ट्रूथफुलनेस. ओके. ट्रूथ, सच्चाई पे बोलनी है, सच्चाई पे रास्ते पे चलना है. काइंडनेस टू ऑल इंक्लूडिंग स्लेव्स एंड सर्वेंट्स. सर्वेंट्स, स्लेव्स एंड सर्वेंट्स मतलब गुलाम को, जो अपने नीचे काम करते हैं उनको रिस्पेक्ट देना है, काइंडनेस रखनी है ना. चैरिटी टूवर्ड्स द पुअर मीन्स थोड़ा बहुत डोनेशन करना है, यू हैव टू डोनेट. एंड पीस एंड हार्मोनी अमंग ऑल. सो ऑल दिस इज व्हाट बेटा, all this is what all religion teaches us today. Yes or no? All this is taught by all religions. Yes or no? Yes or no? है ना.
Yes,
All this is taught to us by all religions. Yes, we come to know from different religious texts. They teach us to not to kill anyone or beat anyone, respect the elders, respect and tolerance to all religion, truthfulness, obedience to parents and teachers, kindness to servants and slaves, charity towards the poor, पीस एंड हार्मनी अमंग ऑल, है ना. सिखाते कि नहीं आर्यन, है ना. फजिल.
yes,
यस और नो फजिल.
yes.
हाँ. हु इज प्रेजेंट अदर्स? हु एल्स इज प्रेजेंट? Yes, all this is taught, right? So all this is what Ashoka said. See, message for the people. Can you read this? Aryan, can you read this?
कौन सा?
Ma'am, I can read the Sarah Zohar Abbas.
Respect the elders. Do not
Next
kill
to
the
you.
animals. Spend the as little as possible. Serve the
Not
Guru to
the
be
name
women and servants, to give donation to Brahmins and monks. Respect and try to understand principles of the religion.
Yes, very good. Who was speaking that? Fazil was that?
Yes,
जबकि था. Can
Who
I
is it?
check Aryan?
Yes, Aryan,
that is
please.
your kid.
क्या रही
We
Obey your parents. Respect the
Mama
elders.
Taki kill.
Yes, Zaki, please be
Don't
silent. Aryan is
kill
reading.
the animal. Spend little as possible. Save the guru. To give the. मैम ये क्या है?
To give
Give or
donations.
donation to Brahmins and homeschool.
Brahmins and monks.
Brahmins and monks. Present and try
Respect
to
and
understand, respect and try to understand
principles.
the principle of other religions.
Yes. So all this were what beta? The messages for the people. Yes. What is all this? The message for the people that you should obey your parents. Yes or no? You should obey or not? Zaki,
Yes,
है ना. Respect the elders. Yes. Do not kill the animals. spend as little as
Yes.
possible, serve the guru मतलब गुरु की सेवा करो, है ना, गुरु मतलब टीचर, यस, टू बी काइंड टू वुमेन एंड सर्वेंट, वुमेन वुमेन से काइंड रहो, उनका रिस्पेक्ट करो, सर्वेंट्स को भी अच्छे से ट्रीट करो, है ना, to give donation to Brahmins and monks, because Brahmins and monks, they don't do any business or job, right? So if you give them donations, they will be able to survive. Yes. Then respect and try to understand principles of other religion. देखो क्या कहते हैं कि आप भले ही बुद्धिज्म एक्सेप्ट कर लो या ना करो, यस, पर आपको क्या करना है, आपको अपना रिस्पेक्ट, अपने धर्म का तो
मैम
रिस्पेक्ट रखना ही है,
मैम
बट यू हैव टू इवन रिस्पेक्ट द and understand the principle of other religion also, है ना. So this all this were message of
मैम
for the people of Ashoka. हाँ बेटा बोलो.
मैम ये अशोका कौन है?
ये कौन पूछ रहा है मुझे?
राजानी एलियस, राजानी एलियस।
Yes, Rajani Alisgar, good question. Rajani Alisgar, this topic we finished a long back, and I did the revision also for this, right, Zoe? Bindusara and all this in the
Yes.
last class. Then also, if you are not able to understand, beta, I'll say you Ashoka was the son of whom?
Bindusara.
Father Bindusara. Okay. Still, if you don't understand about Ashoka, uh, who asked the question?
He was a king earlier.
अलियसगढ़ राजानी।
हाँ, अनिस राजानी, व्हाट यू डू इज, एक बार आप फिर से ये लेसन रीड कर लीजिएगा, फिर ना समझ में आए तो फिर से मुझे पूछिएगा, ठीक है?
हाँ।
ओके, व्हेन यू विल रीड नो, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ मैम ने ये सब पढ़ाया था. ओके, इज इट क्लियर राजानी अलियासगर?
यस मैम, बट मैम ये इंडियन है अशोका, फिर बिंदुसरा।
हम्म, हाँ,
अच्छा, थैंक यू मैम।
वी आर स्टडिंग इंडियन हिस्ट्री ओनली राजानी अलियासगर. हम जो भी हिस्ट्री में पढ़ रहे दैट इज ऑल इंडियन हिस्ट्री. ओके,
ओके।
अभी आप सेवेंथ में इंडिया के बारे में पढ़ोगे, सिक्स में गुजरात के बारे में पढ़ते हो, वैसे सेवेंथ में इंडिया के बारे में पढ़ोगे, फिर एट्थ में जब जाओगे तो ब्रिटिशर्स कैसे इंडिया में आए उसके बारे में पढ़ोगे. अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड बेटा? और ये जो अशोका के बारे में पढ़ रहे हो ये टेंथ में भी आएगा. ओके, ओके, यस, जकी इज देयर.
Ma'am, can I just study how much Brazil?
Fazil, have you practiced but reading first? Did you read the lesson?
Yes.
Okay. So in the year 251
The
BC,
51 BC Ashoka is mm,
Fazil, you are not audible. Rajani Aliasgar, can you read,
Ma'am,
beta?
I can read.
Rajani Aliasgar, can you continue? Can you? Am I audible, beta?
Ma'am, I can read Asarabas.
Yes, Zohair, please continue.
In the year 251 BC, Ashoka converted third Buddhist conference in Mogliputta,
Mogliputta,
Tisha
Tisha.
in Patliputra. The objective of his conference
Conference.
conference was to establish religions unity for removing religions difference which had raised. Ashoka propagated Buddhism in India's state of Kashmir. Gandhara Chola Andhya and Kerala. Emperor Ashoka sent
Missionary
missionary
boat.
boats to
Myanmar,
Myanmar,
Ceylon,
Ceylon, Sri Lanka,
Syria,
Syria, Egypt, Macedonia,
etc.
etc. Ashoka sent his son Mahendra and daughter
Samitra,
Sangamitra to Ceylon to
Ceylon.
preach Buddhism. Thus, during his region,
Region
Ashoka
नहीं, region नहीं, reign. During his reign,
ring, ring Ashoka granted
granted,
royalty to
granted,
Buddhism.
granted.
Granted royalty to Buddhism in adaptation
In
to
addition,
preachings. Ashoka also performed public welfare work. He arranged for treatment of human and animals. He got wells dug, planted trees, built roads, and built rest rooms. Because of his qualities and deeds, Ashoka is regarded as one of the greatest rulers in the history. Empire Ashoka died in 232 BC. He ruled for 36 years.
yes, very good. So what it is written here, Zoher? Thank you, Zoher. Okay, in the year 251 BC, Ashoka convert third Buddhist conference. What did he do? What did he do? He confirmed,
Buddhist conference.
yes, huh. And in Mokliputatisha in Patliputra, okay, Patliputra is a place, okay. So the objective of this conference was to establish religious unity from removing religious differences. क्या करना था बेटा? Religious unity establish करनी थी और क्या remove करना था? क्या remove करना था उस टाइम पे? हाँ, रिलीजियस यूनिटी एस्टेब्लिश करनी थी और इट वाज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट टू रिमूव द रिलीजियस रिमूविंग रिलीजियस डिफरेंसेस। सारे जो रिलीजियस डिफरेंसेस थे उसको रिमूव करना था। क्या करना था बेटा? रिमूव करना था। ओके, because it was raised at that time religious differences is not good, right? So उनको रिमूव करना था। अशोका not only that बेटा, अशोका propagated buddhism in Indian states of Kashmir, Gandhar and Chola, Pandya and Kerala। इन सब जगह पे उन्होंने बुद्धिज्म को प्रोपोगेट भी किया है ना। एंड एम्परर अशोका सेंड मिशनरी बोर्ड्स टू म्यांमार, सिलोन, Kashmir, Gandhar, Chola, and Pandya. Okay, and all these places also he sent. Apart from that, beta, he also worked, and not only he, his son, उनके बेटे और उनकी बेटी जो थे वो भी सिलोन श्रीलंका गए थे। क्यों गए थे? बुद्धिज्म बुद्धिज्म के बारे में सबको समझाने के लिए, प्रीच बुद्धिज्म, है ना। तो उनके बेटे का नाम क्या था? अशोका सेंट हिज सन महेंद्र। क्या था जोहिर उनके बेटे का नाम? अशोका के बेटे का नाम?
Mahendra,
हाँ, एंड उनकी डॉटर थी संघमित्रा। कौन थे उनकी बेटी?
Sangamina,
संघमित्रा। ओके, वो कहाँ गए थे? सिलोन। सिलोन प्रेजेंटली कहाँ पे? श्रीलंका। ओके, टू प्रीच बुद्धिज्म। ओके, टू बुद्धिज्म के बारे में सबको ज्ञान देने के लिए। ओके, thus during this his reign अशोका granted royalty to buddhism। अशोका ने क्या ग्रांट किया तभी? हाँ, रॉयलिटी टू बुद्धिज्म। बुद्धिज्म के लिए वो बहुत रॉयल थे। नॉट ओनली दैट, अशोका ऑल्सो परफॉर्म पब्लिक वेलफेयर वर्क्स। पब्लिक वेलफेयर वर्क्स मतलब क्या बेटा? जोहेर पब्लिक वेलफेयर वर्क मतलब क्या जो है?
पब्लिक के लिए काम करना।
हाँ, अपने पब्लिक के लिए काम करना, राइट, क्योंकि वो किंग थे ना, वो राजा थे ना, तो ही ऑल्सो परफॉर्म सम पब्लिक वेलफेयर वर्क, जैसे ही अरेंज्ड फॉर ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन एंड एनिमल्स, है ना, क्या किया था उन्होंने? ऑल्सो परफॉर्म पब्लिक वेलफेयर वर्क, मतलब ही अरेंज्ड फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन एंड एनिमल्स। ही गॉट वेल्स डग, वेल्स मतलब कि कुएं जिसमें पानी स्टोर किया जा सकता है, ओके। यस, ही गॉट्स वेल डग, प्लांटेड ट्रीज। नाउ उन्होंने है ना रोड्स भी बनाए थे, तो जैसे हमने ग्रैंड ट्रंक रोड के बारे में देखा ना आगे, तो वैसे ही तो उन्होंने क्या किया था, अशोका ने रोड के दोनों साइड ट्रीज प्लांट किए थे, सो दैट व्हाइल ट्रैवलिंग इट्स वेरी गुड प्लीजिंग, राइट। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट बेटा, ही ऑल्सो built rest houses, roads and built rest houses. Rest houses मतलब क्या? Rest houses means what?
Ma'am, anyone are in travel, they can rest there.
यस, जैसे आप लोग भी अगर भावनगर से जाते हो बाहर, तो आप भी रेस्ट करने के लिए यू स्टॉप एट गैलोप्स और समवेयर, राइट, अहमदाबाद, व्हेन यू ट्रैवल. So this way, he also constructed some rest houses, and he also planted some trees and all this, right? So because of these qualities and deeds, Ashoka is regarded as one of the greatest ruler. What is he regarded as, beta? Greatest ruler in the history. Okay. Yes, understood. And he, because of these qualities and deeds, Ashoka is regarded as the greatest ruler in the history, right? And Emperor Ashoka, he died in 232 BC, and he ruled for 36 years. How many years did he rule, beta?
36.
Yes, he ruled for 36 years. Okay. Now we will see the administration of Mauryan Empire. Yes, it was divided into three: central, provincial, and regional. Okay, which are those three? Central, provincial, and regional. Which are those, beta?
Central, provincial, and regional. Central, provincial, and local.
And regional matlab local. Now first we will see central administration system. Okay, now central administrative system में क्या था? Emperor was at the center of the administration. Okay, emperor जो था वो central administration governance में center में थे, and he was the head of administrative, not only head of administrative, but Zohe Zaki, he was also head of the military, judicial departments of the empire and everything, right? And his
Yes.
yes, and his position was hereditary. मतलब एक राजा से दूसरे राजा पे जो आती है ना, उसे हेरिडिटरी बोलते हैं. ओके, his position was hereditary. What was his position, बेटा?
Hi.
हाँ, and yes, and Patliputra and areas around it were under direct control of the emperor. Okay, is it clear? He managed administration with the help of ministers and higher officials. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Now his
Yes.
yes, and now his emperor was divided into 18 departments. यहाँ पे 6 लिखा हुए हैं डिपार्टमेंट: एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट, मिलिट्री डिपार्टमेंट को से के हेड को सेनानी बोलते थे, जुडिशियल डिपार्टमेंट, देन ट्रेड डिपार्टमेंट, like that way till revenue department is mentioned over here. Okay, all this from 18 only 6 are mentioned here. Can you see? Then provisional administrative system. Now what was in provisional administrative system, Zohair, Zaki, Fazil, Aryan, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The huge, yes, provisional administrative system made the huge empire was divided into 5 sections. How many sections it was divided, beta? 5 sections, okay? Yes. And head of the provinces was the governor. Who was the head of the province?
Is the governor.
Yes, he was the governor, and usually the prince was appointed at this post. Who was appointed, beta? Prince. Okay, he was appointed, मतलब कि राजा के बेटे. Okay, governor's task in the provinces was to maintain peace and security, collect revenue matlab taxes, okay, to get the orders of the kings obeyed, and by keeping the emperor constantly aware of the events taking place in the provinces. और उनको क्या करना था? पीस और सिक्योरिटी रखना था, रेवेन्यू कनेक्ट करना था, टू गेट द ऑर्डर्स ऑफ द किंग, मतलब किंग जो भी ऑर्डर्स देते हैं वो पीपल ओबे कर रहे हैं कि नहीं वो ध्यान रखना था, right? So this way he
Yes,
was very, he was at the provincial state, administrative state. Understood? Yes,
yes, ma'am.
understood. Now regional administration and successors of Emperor Ashoka and the fall of Mauryan Empire. Yes, this will